Welcome to this elegant 3-bedroom modern bungalow house, a seamless blend of style, function, and comfort. With a spacious carport out front, this home makes a bold first impression. The clean lines, minimalist accents, and contemporary facade give this home its striking modern appeal. Lush landscaping completes the look, creating a warm, welcoming entry. Step inside and be greeted by the open-plan living area, bright, airy, and designed for relaxation. High ceilings and wide windows bring in natural light, enhancing the sense of space. Flowing seamlessly from the living room is the dining area and modern kitchen. The layout promotes effortless movement, perfect for daily living or entertaining guests. With its sleek cabinetry, generous counter space, and smart layout, the kitchen is both beautiful and functional, truly the heart of this home. Thank you for joining this house tour. Like and follow for more home design inspirations. OneArki Designs, turning your dream house into reality.